Don't put your finger on that trigger till you're ready. Take your finger off that trigger till you turn sideways. Can you shoot her in the neck? You wait till she turns all the way sideways so you get good blood unless you're gonna shoot her in the neck. Shoot her in the neck, she'll drop. You ain't never shot before, so I want you to be comfortable. See, when she puts her head over this way, that's a small target in the middle of that neck right there. In the center of that neck, that's a small target to hit. Let her turn just a little bit more. Do what? Can you see good? Keep looking at it. Get your finger off that trigger. See if it's off. Look at her. She's perfectly broadside. Already got it off. Wait a minute. The other one's in the way. Hey, the other one's in the way right now. Alright. You did. She moved. No, that's a baby. You got her, buddy. She buckled. All right, you ready to track them?
Yeah, I found some. I found some blood. Oh look, there's more blood. Oh wow, there's a lot of blood.
Yep. Let's go this way.
So, there's the blood. Oh, there's a lot right there.
Right there's blood.
Where?
Right there.
Yep, I see it. It should be laying down right there. Is that her right there? No.
Look, you gotta look for blood.
Well, I'm looking for a bigger.
You can't walk over it. You gotta
That's why I'm walking
find
over
it,
here.
move forward.
That's why I'm walking over here. Oh, look at the first thing. Okay, I'll let them walk that.
There's blood right there.
Where?
There's blood right there. There's blood right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, I see it. Oh, there's blood right there. There's some right there. That's it. That's all I can see. That's all I can see.
Well, you gotta look.
Oh, yeah. Oh, well, there's some in that grass. I think, nope, that's grass, I think. That might be some.
Find some more blood.
Yeah, right there. Means it should turn. She should be right down there because I heard her rolling down here. You remember? We heard her rolling
Yeah.
down. Just follow right over here.
See, there's blood down there. There's blood right there.
Where?
See that trail? Follow that trail and look for blood. There's blood right here on this thing.
right here.
Yeah, you found some more there.
Yeah.
Keep on going down through there.
Oh, I found her.
Huh?
I see her.
You see her?
Yeah, she's white. I think she did.
You see the belly?
Yeah, I see the belly. She's a big old girl. I don't think she won't be in the hill. Oh, she did. Oh, yeah, she did. Her head laying in the ground. Like my finisher on Call of Duty.
You always go up behind her and shake her with your foot.
Oh, look at that thing. Something jumping up and kicking me. I don't like the way she's laying.
That's why you go behind her and shake her with your foot on her back.
Oh, yeah, she's a girl. She's got eyelashes. Look at her eyelashes. You know what? I don't even need to do it with my foot. Use tools that are around you.
She dead, son. She dead.
Pop, 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 pop. Yeah, she did.
Hold it.
Oh, yeah, I see where I shot her. I shot her right up there.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh,
Let's see
she's
it.
bleeding. Oh, Lord. Oh, she got an ant on her. Oh, there's ants on her. She landed right in an ant pit.
Look here. Hold her head up.
Okay.
Hold her head up.
Ah! How? Just
Hold it by both ears. You happy about her?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Her tongue is laying out.
Congratulations, bud.